everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I thought it would be easier to place all my items from this food haul on the counter and then just go ahead and show you the items. So let's get started, guys. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called the Foodie Grocery Haul. And the hashtag for this collaboration is the Foodie Grocery Haul 24. That hashtag belongs to this collaboration. So also remember that as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. So let me tell you who's hosting. All right, so we have myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have Jean Home Decor and More. We have Debbie Bubbles. We also have Decorating with Jazzy Green, and I believe My Mountain Home and Kitchen. All right, so let me get started telling you what I brought in from Walmart. So I like to buy the sandwich bread at Walmart. One, because it's not too thick. If I want a Texas toast, I would get that. They also have it. But I like to make sandwiches as thin as this bread is because this is regular carb bread. So I just got 2 of these for sandwiches for the week. This week I'm on vacation, so we'll freeze it. Okay, so I also like to have some chips when I'm having my sandwiches. I don't know, got to get out of that habit. But in the meantime, I got the smoky barbecue and I cannot wait to eat. Now, I always get this Italian bread. You really can't go wrong with it. It only costs $1 and you can freeze it. If you need to use it, make sure and thaw it out of the freezer at least 30 minutes beforehand, and it'll be ready for you to go ahead and use. Now, I got this for my son. He loves fruitcake, and it's a nice size. Now, very many people like fruitcake, and then there's some of us that do. I'm gonna try and taste this again to see, because there is a lot of stuff in there. It looks delicious though. So we're gonna give this a try. I already know he likes it, so I got him one of those. And then in the cereal section, they have the granola. This one is the peanut butter protein, and I like this, guys. It tastes really good, and I got myself a bag there. Usually I mix that up with my yogurt, so I may as well show you that next. So I'm trying to stick with the 2. This is already pre-portioned, so it's 2 grams of sugar. It's the 2 Good yogurt, vanilla flavor. And I'll go ahead and put all of this stuff in a bowl. I'll put the granola and the vanilla yogurt. And then here's the sugar-free honey. So some of you say, is there sugar-free honey? Well, that's what it says. So I'm gonna go ahead, and that's like my dessert right there, along with my blueberries. I got Matthew the bigger one of the honey this time because he likes to eat the blueberries frozen, and he pours honey over them. They look so delicious when he's eating it. I got some string cheese here, and all this is great value. So I got the string cheese here, whole milk, and this is for snacking. I got 1 of the angel hair coleslaw pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and either make some coleslaw or just go ahead and cook with it. And this is the size of the deluxe slices that I buy. We like a lot of cheesy sauce here in this house, so I use it for that or sandwiches or whatever. So I got that. Then if we move along here a little bit, I got 2 of the black beans because we like beans. Then I got a small of the mozzarella cheese. I have some already in the fridge, so I just didn't want to run out. I got 1 of the lettuce. Oh, and the 2 Good yogurt, I got 5. Okay, so hopefully it's just 1 dessert a night. And if not, we'll go get some more. So we do like kielbasa here in this house. So this is the regular kielbasa. So we got 1 of those, kielbasa. And then here's the smoked one. So I make some recipes from that. Matthew seems to like it. I did get a package of the ground beef. I think I'm gonna go for lasagna. And there is the chicken cutlet. Let me see, I didn't pull out the receipt. I hope I have it in my jacket. So let me go ahead and get that for you. I'll be right back. All right, so I did get the receipt, and I have it over there. I'll show it to you last, since we already started with the grocery haul. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of the blueberries. We love blueberries in this house. They're so good for you too. high in antioxidants, so that's a nice healthy snack. These are the russet potatoes. Just got a 5-pound bag of the russet. Then, okay, along with that deluxe cheese, I did get a 2-pound bag of the Great Value sharp cheddar. And then if I decide to make lasagna, I got the Great Value ricotta cheese. We got one of those. And then we got some cottage cheese. So I got one of these. Usually I get the bigger ones, but I'm not using it as much. And then I just got 2 cans of the sweet corn, just in case I want to add it to something. Here is a box of the Goya powdered chicken bouillon. I like to add a packet of that when I'm cooking. And I got one of these storage bags because this is what I put my sandwiches in when we're in school. And I needed some garbage bags. So here are the flap ties. They don't have them in very many places anymore. I don't know why, but I just needed to at least grab 10 from there. I'm gonna check out the Dollar Tree. Sometimes has the Glad ones. Here are the ice oatmeal cookies. So I'm gonna put that in that jar. I don't know if you saw my jar. So we got some syrup. So we got original syrup because I have the sugar-free. Matthew likes the original. Then here are the peanuts. I snack on the peanuts a lot. Plus Matthew got me some snacks from work. He bought me a box of assorted. I decided to go ahead and get one of these chicken stuffings because we love stuffing and I haven't had it in a while. And this is not for Thanksgiving. We're going out for Thanksgiving. So I am going to be bringing a cake, a low carb cake, chocolate cake with frosting to the person's home where we're going. And then I did get some graham crackers. We have marshmallows, guys, so we may go ahead and do another s'mores. We love those things. So I got 2 of the heavy cream, and I got 1 of the almond milk vanilla flavor unsweetened. So this was the treat. Matthew always calls this fig Newton bread, but it's this panettone, I think it is. It's an Italian bread. We absolutely love this. I got the classic one. We call it fig Newton bread. We absolutely love this bread, but that's not what it's called. So that's pretty much all I got right here till the end over there. That's not including the waters. That I bought 9 of the refills of the filtered water, and then also the dog food. So I got some dry, and I also got some canned moist. So I don't know if I showed you these, the honey graham crackers. So we got a box of these. And then here is the receipt. So let's see. What was all of this bill? Here was $192.18. And this is in Colorado. This is what I spent here. I don't know if it's cheaper where you're living, but we always show the receipts. It's kind of fun to know how much you guys spend in your parts of where you live. But that's what I spent on all of this. I don't know. I think it pretty much equals. I don't know what to say. I'm trying to get my bill lower, and I'm trying to budget more. So anyway, it's $192.18, and that's that. So I hope you guys have an amazing holiday. Be blessed. Enjoy your families and your friends, and have an amazing day, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you or bringing it to you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.